In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a lot of photos in Google Photos quickly. If your Google account is running out of storage, or your photo library is just getting cluttered, this walkthrough will show you how to clean things up fast and safely. First, open your web browser and go to Google Photos. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account, especially if you manage more than one. Once you're in, you'll land on the main Photos view, where all your pictures and videos are shown in a grid, sorted by date. Before you start deleting, it's a good idea to quickly scan your library to make sure there aren't any recent photos you definitely want to keep. Remember, anything you delete will go to the trash, where it stays for 60 days before being permanently removed. So you do have a bit of a safety net. Now, let's select multiple photos at once. On a computer, hover your mouse over the first photo you want to delete and click the small check mark that appears in the top left corner of the image. Once that first photo is selected, you'll see a blue check and the top bar will show how many items are selected. To quickly grab a large group, scroll down to where you want your selection to end. Hold down the Shift key on your keyboard, then click another photo. Google Photos will automatically select everything between the first and second photo, giving you a large batch in one move. This is the key to deleting lots of photos quickly instead of clicking them one by one. If you're on a trackpad or mouse, you can also click and drag to move around while keeping an eye on what's selected. If you accidentally include something you want to keep, just click that photo again to remove the check mark. Once you're happy with your selection, look for the trash icon at the top right of the page. Click it, and Google Photos will ask you to confirm that you want to move these items to the trash. Review the message, then confirm. The photos are now removed from your main library and moved into the trash folder. To finish up, you can leave them there for automatic deletion after 60 days. Or, if you're sure you don't need them anymore and want to free up space immediately, go to the trash section and choose the option to empty it. Just remember, emptying the trash is permanent and cannot be undone. That's all there is to it. By using the Shift-click method and the trash feature, you can clean up thousands of photos in just a few minutes, keeping your Google Photos library organized and your storage under control.